Are those rocket skis? Crusher, you're not going to try to cheat, are you? Uh-oh, Crusher's in big trouble. Those rocket skis are sending him right towards that
Crab warehouse? Pinching crabs! Yow!
We need to catch up and stop those rocket skis and save Crusher. How do we get to the other side of the warehouse with all these pinching crabs in the way? I have an idea. Let's use these ropes to swing over the crabs. When the rope swings close, press the space bar to help me jump and grab it. Now, when we swing close to we can swing on these ropes because of tensile. Tensile strength is how hard you can pull on something before it breaks. Let's try that again. Our timing wasn't quite right that time. All right, a rope bundle. We should collect as many of these as possible. Maybe we can use them to help slow down Crusher. So pinchy. Great, another rope bundle. Lug nuts. We jumped too early that time. Terrific! There are pinching crabs everywhere. Let's try again. Let's give it another try. This rope has just the right tensile strength. Congrats! Nice! Well done! We've made it out of the crab warehouse. But which way did Crusher go?
Rocket skis! You're going the wrong way! Whoa! Whoa!
Uh-oh! We'll have to find a way past these logs Crusher knocked loose. I know! I can transform into a wood chipper to help us. When we put logs into a wood chipper, they get chopped into small wood chips and shot out the back. Press the space bar to help keep it up. Woohoo! I'm a wood chipper monster machine! Press the up or down arrow keys to help me move up or down. Help me chop up the logs. When logs roll our way, we can pick them up and chip them up. Watch out for the rocks. We can't chip those. Watch out! I can pick up and chip the pine trees too. Great chipping! Keep chipping! A rope bundle! Keep collecting rope bundles. We can use them later. Congrats!
Stop, rocket skis!
Well done! All right! Good job! Yahoo! Yeah! Whoa-ho-ho! Yeah! Way to go!
Rocket skis, stop!